Change is the only constant, as they say. Change for the better is always, always happy change and beautiful change. And we are not going into the bad or the worst changes. So yes, my dear friends, Reshma here once again welcoming all of you with a big heart filled with loads and loads of love. And as I said in the beginning, that change is the only constant. Obviously, the beautiful changes we all want. And as I am growing more and more old, and yes, definitely a lot of changes are going on in me. And now, as I say so many times also, I started more embracing, the simplicities, the so-called mundane things of everyday life, but I try to find beauty in them. And not that I try to find, but I just feel that beauty within. And I believe, the so-called quote unquote regularity is also one of the blessings. I don't know about others, for me, yes. And as I was saying, change is the only constant, and if it is beautiful change. And I just felt like, sharing this beautiful money plants. You see here, generally you can't and you will not see such long, long money plants. I still remember a year or so before requesting our Mali Dada that I want in our garden long, long trails of money plant. You see, actually they, hit the soil floor. Here to Mali Dada, he just wrapped these things, you can see. They are all wrapped up like this. Otherwise, they will go, long, long distances. And I wanted to have that, and I told him a year or so before. And that time we planted small, small twigs of the money plants in all these, see, in all these gamlas. You can see this, this, then over here you can see, फिर यहाँ पे भी है बाहर, in this outside, everywhere, see. I still remember those days when they were, just small, small, and I wanted them to grow big. And now, to my surprise, you see, everywhere it's a trail of, start from here, yeah, it's a trail of, see the money plants, so beautiful. They were actually all touching the ground, floating on the soil ground. So Mali Dada, he just wrapped them so that they do not. And so you can see they are so beautiful, so beautiful. You can see and see their leaves also. So beautiful, a play of colors, green, yellow, light green. I mean, I just feel so blessed when I see these money plants that once I envisioned them, and now see they are in their full flow everywhere. They are long, long trails, see. It just feels so beautiful. All the plants are adorned with all these long trails, and here also, see, I just wanted today to share this. I love, I just love these beauties. As I said, now I find my peace, my happiness in the smallest of the beauties, quote unquote, because to me they are not smallest. They just gives me so much immense joy and happiness. See how long they are, and show on the top kahan se aa rahe, from such a long distance, and still they are, wrapped on top, and still you can see they are so long. And here also we have this money plants. I just wanted to keep, these are my happinesses when I find all this. Here also they all are, wrapped up like this so that they do not flow. And Mali Dada made this beautiful gate kind of a trail with this money plant. See, everywhere it's like waves and waves of money plant. So yeah, the life changes, so as many things around us changes, and when the change happens the way we envisioned, it just feels so much bliss and joy. Now, I don't have to go for a holiday to see these beautiful plants, because it's in our garden itself. And this is, I just feel like, life is all about these small, small, beautiful things. You just look into it, you visualize them. When they comes into fruition, they just fills our heart. And here, see, it's such a small leaf. This will unfold. This is just a baby leaf. This will unfold. This is the leaf which just turned, unfolded, and see, it's so glistening. Like you can see, it feels like oil on top. So these are, now I became like that person who enjoys this, you know, the small so-called beauties, and that's where I find my peace. And here one thing I would like to share, these leaves are, you know, the small leaf money plant. As you can see, they are the small leaf one. Now I am going to share the big leaf money plants. Himanshu, focus here. See here, these are the big leaf money plants. You can see everywhere, and here it's a kind of a jungle, small jungle of money plant, and I love it this way only. I do not love too much of manicuring or cutting down, because I believe, you know, in that case it looks very artificial. So I love it when they are allowed to grow in a certain way, in their own way. So yes, I just wanted to share today this beautiful money plants only today. And so once again we are going to, you know, show all of you, my dear friends, all these beautiful plants. Upar se haan, Himanshu. All these beautiful plants, my joy, my happiness, and more importantly, my peace. I mean, plants are always peaceful and calming, and especially when I visualize them once upon a time, and now they are growing. So it feels like, you know, your babies are growing. See here, everywhere you can see, everywhere. You see your babies growing like this, and you actually even can't buy these things. This just, when you vision once, you give it the time, and then it grows, and it just fills your heart with so much happiness. So my dear friends, I wish, and I'm sure you all will be loving this, and wishing all of you happy days, good days, and health. That's very important. So on this note, let's wrap it up today. Thank you all. God bless. Thank you.